Introducing Smart AI Vision, a Make in India device for video-guided artificial insemination in cattle. This device comes with high-definition camera and perfect ergonomic design. Smart AI Vision used for internal examination of cervix, vagina, teeth, rectum and gullet. It is also used for diagnose, reproduction management and sample collection. Smart AI Vision is safe to use and easy for one-hand insemination. By Smart AI Vision mobile application, you can record insemination video and photo in your phone. With this device, you can do insemination at right time and perfect place. Smart AI Vision increase the chance of pregnancy in cattle. Smart AI Vision, a new eye on artificial insemination.